And we want to appreciate you for finding time to meet with us. As you can see, I don't know how many states you have visited, but here, all these people you see here, they are national delegates of our great party to the convention coming up somewhere in May 2022. They are all here to receive you. Nobody is left behind. It's because of the love we have for you. The coming together of all these people here is a way of registering our appreciation and thanks for who you are to us. So we're happy that you're consulting so that once you complete the consultation, you will declare for the presidency of this country, and we're happy to receive you. Our people say that you're friendly with an Etilo man during dry season, so that during rainy season, he can use his canoe to help you cross to the other side. You have been a friend of Benue State. You have shown love. You have shown passion. You have shown mercy upon us. We remember that in 2018, when Benue State came under siege, we were attacked, we were killed, we were maimed, we were raped, our homes destroyed. Our people who are responsible for the appellage of food basket of Nigeria, who were farmers, were chased away from their homes. You stood with us. You did not just stay in Port Harcourt to send message. You came yourself and you donated huge sums of money to help us support the IDPs. And subsequently, you have not stopped. Periodically, you have been sending help to our people. Words are not enough to appreciate our inestimable appreciation to you, but our prayer for us and on behalf of the IDPs is that God will bless you. And whatever you undertake in this life, our prayer is that God will grant it to you in Jesus' name. Amen. We want to thank you. You have done well. You have demonstrated that, yes, you are the Tulu man. And with the canoe. And we have been friends, and we have no reason whatsoever not to support you. You didn't come to us because you wanted to be president of this country or anything in this country, but because of your love towards us. You have sown a seed, and that seed has germinated. And on behalf of these people, I want to assure you that we'll walk with you. We'll continue to pray until you're able to realize your dream. Because if, as governor, you've been able to reach out to us and touch our lives, if you're president of this country, our sorrow will be gone. Our IDPs will go back to their homes. Up to today, the camps are still growing. over 1.5 million IDPs out of the 7 million people we have in our state. But like someone like you with a passion who loves justice, equity, and fairness, that is all that we seek. We're not seeking to drive anybody away or to cause hardship to anyone, but we're asking for justice, and that is what we believe. So you're welcome, and I want to assure you that the people we see here, I know that after your presentation, the chairman will speak, but I want to assure you that we are with you. Wherever you're going, we'll go with you. You have always stood for us. And remember that when our enemies rose up to assassinate me, and by the grace of God they failed, you made a statement I can never forget. You say that, kill Ortom, kill Nigeria. I can never forget. We have many governors in Nigeria. I can't count any other person who stood up and condemned the assassination of my personality for asking for justice, equity, and fairness. You did that. So God will bless you. For me, I go with you. And I tell Benue people, those who love me, those who are working with me, I have said it very clearly. When the southern governors met and demanded that they wanted presidency, I came out the following day. I did not hide my feelings. And I said that on the southern governor's position, I stand. Because I believe in equity, fairness, and justice. If you want to clap, clap now. Don't do it. Are you telling me, are you doing something? Are you doing something else? So, for me, I am not the party. If the party decide otherwise, that's a different thing. But as far as I'm concerned, for me, for fairness, equity, and justice, the presidency, I believe that should go to the South. And I have put my binocular, and I have seen that the person in the South that can help rescue and build this country is Governor Newsom, Wike.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.